What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you guys saw by the title and the thumbnail, I'm unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini. I got this for Christmas. This is my first video of 2021. Thank you for following along and coming on to this year with me. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm not really going to go over the specs. I'm just going to do my first initial impressions and unboxing it and showing you what comes in the box. Not like there's plenty of videos. Let's get started. I will do like a first flight video and stuff like that, but I want to like get used to it and all that. But as you guys know, it's 249 grams, 30-minute max flight time. It has a 2.7K camera. The new one has a 4K camera, but I feel like with YouTube and our phones and tablets and stuff, and majority of TVs and stuff, I feel like you really can't see 4K unless you got like a 4K TV. But you can connect it with Apple Play, Google, all that. You can get DJI Care and stuff. But I'm ready to open it. Let's see. Another little piece of tape. Put that right there. And first things first, the case for the drone. We'll get to that. There's I got the Fly More combo, so that comes with the prop guards, the extra battery, the battery case, like the battery hub, and the, I believe is the carrying case. So let me get everything out of these boxes. But I think that's everything. We're gonna start with the quote-unquote boring stuff first, as some people like to call it. Right here, I think this is the wall plug. Yeah, this is the wall adapter. Make sure I take this plastic off. And this is what the adapter looks like. Just has DJI on the front. Don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see that. There it is, DJI. And I think this right here is the paperwork, well, like the manuals and stuff. Got the Fly More combo, the quick start guide, the accessory user guide, and safety features, and then showing you how to open it and stuff like that. So I'll put that right back in the box. But get done with this box first. I believe this is the prop guards. This is the prop guard. one. And prop guard 2. Gonna put this up. And right here we have the batteries and the battery hub. Now this is my first drone, but this is like a healthy feeling. Do I take the batteries out? Yeah. This is the batteries. And I think that's it, yeah. They are small. So I'll give you guys a size comparison. It's basically almost the same size as the wall plug. But I have 3 batteries right here. And now we get to move on to the drone itself. You got like a little tag and stuff. We're opening it up. And we're gonna get to the drone, but now let's get to, this is the battery charging hub. Kind of small, kind of like almost the same size as my camera or my phone. And then under here you have your cables. So we have cables to charge the stuff, and then you got like the adapters for whatever phone you have. So they have a micro USB, I believe a USB-C, and a lightning. And then you got like a little screw tool just in case you gotta change anything, and extra thumbsticks. And under here you got the controller. And then in this box you have the prop guards, but I'm not gonna open those. The controller is a very nice size. Oh, I just realized it has like the little hook clip thing. So I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys, but it's right here. If you can see that, it hooks on. So when you lay it down like that, and then the power on, the off, the takeoff button, the record button to take a picture, and then I think this is to move the camera. I really don't know. Like I said, this is my first drone, but the controller feels very good. And this is where I put my phone, and this is where the thumbsticks are. So I'm gonna take those out, screw those on. So it comes with an extra pair inside the box, and it also comes with the extra pair of prop guards. So now that we got the controller, the batteries, the prop guards, are the charging cables, now we get to move on to the drone. And this is it right here. Now I've seen how you open it. You gotta take this little sticky thing off first. Got that off. And then you'll go like this, like this. Then you're going to fold these down. But my first impressions, It's really light, even without the battery in there. But I think this is gonna be cool. I do know that I probably have to get like prop guards. And then the camera is down here and held on by some tape. They made sure they put a lot of stickers on this. But it's very small. Basically, you know how everyone is like, it's the size of my hand, it's the size of my iPhone. It's basically the size of the battery holder and the size of the controller. So, I really like this. I'll give you guys a 360 view. The camera with the gimbal protector. So, I want to thank you guys for watching this very long unboxing, but I just want to go through it and go through it with you guys. So my next video will be a flight video. I won't be doing any talking, any commentary, or anything in that video. It's just gonna be me flying it. So, thank you guys for coming into the new year with me and my drone. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Julia. I'm out. Peace.